Your business can't survive without the internet, but some days it seems like the internet, along with new adware, malware, and other online attacks, is the biggest threat to your business. With a different breach in the news seemingly every other day, keeping your customer, employee, and partner data secure seems harder than ever. And with industry standards evolving as well, you need Symantec SSL Suite for Enterprise, the complete SSL solution. After all, it's not just about deploying SSL certificates, it's about staying ahead of a continuously evolving threat landscape while maintaining trust and confidence in your enterprise. Quite frankly, there's no room for compromise when your website security is on the line. Luckily, with Symantec Complete SSL, you can rest easy. And discover all SSL certificates on your network, no matter who issued them, using automated scans, continuous monitoring, and detailed reports for the most up-to-date SSL information. Assess the risks, strengths, and compliance status of all of your SSL certificates, and scan for vulnerabilities and malware on your site too. Secure your data in transit with a wide range of certificates, including elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC, RSA, and DSA certificates. Having root certificates with different algorithms increases your ability to maintain business continuity in the event of a major security breach. And with priority technical support, you can always get help 24/7, 365. And to maintain customers' trust with Symantec Extended Validation, the Symantec Seal in Search, and the Norton Secured Seal, there's simply no better solution available. From complete visibility to monitoring security risks and vulnerabilities to knowing that your data in transit and server communications are secure, Symantec SSL Suite for Enterprise is the right solution for your business today and tomorrow. For more information, click here.